Over the past number of weeks, we have analysed Primary Gold, an ASX listed company who is developing the Mount Bundy Gold Project in the Northern Territory. And after completing a detailed assessment on the company, we have valued Primary at 30 cents per share based on a DCF valuation. As part of this valuation, we completed a range of scenarios to test both the robustness of the project as well as highlight the significant upside potential. A PDF version of our valuation and financial forecasts is available at the Sophisticated Investor website by simply clicking on the link. The Mount Bundy Gold Project is located in the Pine Creek region of the Northern Territory and is about a 1-hour drive from Darwin. More than 14 million ounces of gold have been discovered in the region, and Primary is the largest tenement holder in the northern part, as their package is spread across 1,500 square kilometres, where they have defined 3 deposits to date. These include the shallow, large tonnage and low strip ratio Rustler's Roost deposit, the high-grade historical Tom's Gully underground mine, and the Quest 29 deposit. The combined resource across these deposits is more than 1.2 million ounces of gold. We have estimated that on the current resource alone, Primary has the potential for a bulk tonnage gold operation that could produce up to 180,000 ounces of gold per annum over an initial 6-year mine life. And whilst the current resource provides a solid initial platform for production to commence, it is the exploration potential of the region that has largely been underexplored for the past 20 years that we believe could not only increase the mine life at Mount Bundy, but could also see production on an annualised basis increase further. Regarding the brownfields potential, we were particularly encouraged by a number of historical drill results that encountered gold mineralisation around both the Tom's Gully and Rustler's Roost deposit, however are outside of the current resource area. With some infill drilling at both projects, there is a strong possibility of a resource upgrade in the short to medium term. Whilst the potential at Primary's greenfield targets is perhaps more exciting, as Primary has already identified up to 60 occurrences to date that have received no work in the past 20 years. This includes the potential for a lookalike Rustler's Roost and Tom's Gully targets, as well as numerous gold outcroppings from surface that have never been drill tested. Exploration fieldwork has already commenced, with an initial drill program planned in the coming months. For full details on our report, which includes our valuation analysis, which in addition to reviewing the key sensitivities of the project, we also review Primary's peer group of Australian-based bulk tonnage development assets, our investment and risk analysis, which highlights both the upside and potential downside factors that investors should be aware of, a site trip to the Mount Bundy project, where we take a closer look at each deposit, the existing infrastructure, as well as review the potential processing route, an in-depth review of the exploration potential at the Rustler's Roost, Tom's Gully, as well as the greenfield targets through a series of interviews with Executive Director Murat Absalov, as well as a detailed explanation of how resins work compared to carbon and what operations around the world currently use them. Please visit thesophisticatedinvestor.com.au. And if you have any comments about our report, please send an email through to admin@tsicapital.com.au.